What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to find and replace things in different files and folders within the same project. So here I have the init.py file in this folder that I've opened here. This is my entire project. So this is the file that I want to look through. So just make sure that you have it open, double click it, and just click within it. And the keyboard shortcut to open the find menu is Control and F. So it's going to bring it up in the top right up here, and if you select this arrow, I just have some data in here already, but you will open the replace menu as well. So that is how you open the replace menu within the same file. And basically, let's say I want to search for all of the courses. So if I start typing courses in here, you'll see that everything that is courses is highlighted in this file. Now there are some options here I want to go over. So if you click match case, this will only look for courses that are in lowercase because that's what I typed here. So if I change this to uppercase now, this is no longer a match. So just keep that in mind. I'm going to deselect that. Now this is going to have to match the whole word. So if I select this and then I just add an S here, this no longer matches. But if I deselect it, it still matches. I don't know why I just did that. Yeah, as you can see, it still matches because it still has the text we're looking for. It doesn't care about the entire word, right? So just go over that, and then let's say I want to replace this with my courses. There are some options you can do here. So this will replace one at a time, and this is good if you want to make sure that you're not doing it in the wrong spots. And then this will replace all of them all at once in the file. Only do this if you're sure of what you're doing, but just to make sure, I'm going to go one at a time here. You'll see it. And now I'm feeling good. I'm feeling comfortable. Gonna click replace all. Oh, it keeps okay, I see what's happening there. Yeah, don't worry about that. If you keep hitting replace all, it's gonna keep inserting the same text over and over again. So yeah, anyways, so that's how you replace everything within the same file. And now if I'm gonna do this for the entire project, so you can either go to the search right here, or you can just do Control, Shift, and F together. I'm just gonna remove this. So this just searches for things within the entire project, and then if you do Control, Shift, F, it brings you right to this search menu right here. So let's say I want to look for all student IDs in this project. Now, the cool thing about this is it'll actually show you that it's in different files. So I have it in marks.csv and init.py. Cool. Now I want to replace it, right? So I'm going to have to select this arrow here, and I'm going to do student. I want it one word, so let's do student ID. Okay, now these have the same options here, has to match the whole word, etc. So make sure you're comfortable with that. Preserved case means that it'll preserve this exactly like you typed it, like uppercase or lowercase. This will all be lowercase, and unfortunately this only has a replace all option. So just gonna click this. I'm feeling comfortable. It'll give me a prompt replacing, and just like that, you saw it happen right in front of you. It replaced everything. So that is how you do this in Visual Studio Code. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.